Hi guys, it's your girl Slay LT and I'm back for another video. And as promised on my last video, I have the second part. And as you guys know, well, if you didn't know, I like to open my Ulta Beauty boxes upside down. I know that's weird, but for two reasons. One, because the bottom usually has like the bubble wrapping on it. And of course, you know, Ulta Beauty boxes come in the same boxes all the time. The other reason is because it has my address on it, and I do not want to show my address on camera because of security reasons, obviously. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna go ahead, and y'all gotta excuse that noise, they're doing something out there. I'm gonna go ahead and open this box right quick. And this is actually the second part to the why is this not closing? Oh, to the Jimmy Choo set that I got. You'll see it on another one of my videos. I'll leave it in the description box below, the free gift that I actually got with it. I also have another Shein haul that I'm gonna do later on today, so you guys will see this. So this actually came the next day from the actual free gift that I received with it. Of course, it has the packaging information and the bubble wrap, as I said earlier. The bubble wrap always comes on the bottom. And honestly, if you open it, one thing I did realize, if you open it the other way, the front of whatever the item is always facing down. So this way, when I open it like this, you guys know I've received like 100 of these. I've just started doing my Ulta hauls. But the bubble wrapping comes like this, and as you can see, the Jimmy Choo box comes facing upwards if you open it from the bottom. That's just one thing that I discovered from purchasing, and this is actually a pretty big size. I didn't know it was going to be this big. And again, please excuse that noise. I don't know what they're doing out there, but whatever it is, it's extremely loud and very, very noisy. So hopefully you guys can hear me through this video. But so I took it out of the wrapping. I'm trying to keep this video down to at least 10 minutes. On the outside it says I want Choo. I'm going to keep this box. As you guys know, I do keep some of my boxes from my colognes. If you don't know, I'm explaining I do. Can't really smell it from. Ooh, this is pretty big. I didn't realize it was going to be this big. I should have. I got the biggest size. So it does come in this beautiful, beautiful, oh my god, this is gorgeous, Jimmy Choo cologne bottle. And this is just the covering to keep it intact through shipping or through the bottle packaging. Oh, this smells so freaking good. You know, I'm gonna spray this on. I have a napkin here. Let me do this. Oh my god, this smells. Oh god, I wish you guys could smell this through the camera. I don't know what this is on the bottom of it. Looks like a piece of something. I don't know, but that looks tacky. Oh my god, it smells so freaking good, y'all. It's like a soft floral smell. It has notes, like little hint notes of like a passion fruit almost, but it kind of has like a sexy smell to it. I'm gonna spray this again. Oh, that smells so good. I might use this weekend. I'm going out this weekend at a friend's birthday party. And it's so soft. It's light. It's a very, very light scent. It doesn't smell heavy. You know how sometimes you use those perfumes and it has like a heavy smell to it that kind of just like fades away. This one is really, really light. It's like a baby light scent. I love this. This smells so good. Oh my god. I definitely like the box that it came in. Oh my god, this smells so freaking good, y'all. So if you thought about getting Jimmy Choo perfume. Definitely purchase it. If you're not big on light scents, this probably won't be the one for you. But I mean, if you're a woman, you should be big on light scents, because I hate like a heavy scenting perfume. Let me see, where can I put this right for right now? I'm gonna put this right over here for right now. It looks like the sun wants to kind of make an interest. Yeah, so that's my Jimmy Choo. That's the second part to the Jimmy Choo haul that I had on yesterday. The first part of it came yesterday, where they brought the handbag. If you guys don't remember, I do have it right here. I have it in one of my Shein bags. I'm gonna get a dust bag for it. And this is the handbag. It actually matches that outside of the box. Let me just take it out here right quick, just in case you didn't see it. But I did do a small tutorial on that one as well. So, yeah. So I just kept it in my Shein bag here. And again, I'm going to find a dust bag to put it in. But I just wanted to show you guys that right quick. If you click on the description box below, I actually took it out and showed you guys the chain and how it looked. I did a small tutorial on it. So, I believe the video may have cut off too, because I ran out of space on my phone. But if you haven't already, go ahead and check that out. If you guys love my channel, go ahead and subscribe, put your notification, turn your notification bells on so you are aware when I do post new videos. Share it with your friends. And for those who've already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for your support. And I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this, comment, you guys, share it with your friends, and all that good stuff. I'm going to go ahead and end this here. I knew it wasn't going to be a long video. I just wanted to come and show you guys that, because I do have a Shein haul that I am going to do more than likely today or tomorrow. So you might see this shirt again. But I know my hair is a mess. I just threw this turban on. I'm actually going to do my hair for an event that I'm going to tomorrow. So I have to wash it and all that good stuff. I just do it in some big braids and put this turban on so I don't look a whole hot mess on this video. But what else did I want to say right quick? Yes, I just wanted to save some space on my phone. I don't know, I just backed my phone up. It hadn't been backed up, I just realized, in like 2 weeks. So that's probably why I didn't have enough space to finish the recording for that, the handbag for the Jimmy Choo cologne, the free gift that I got with the cologne. I keep saying cologne, perfume, okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here, and I will see you guys in the next video. And again, subscribe. Talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.